Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. Pinterest is sending millions of clicks to affiliate links every single day, and most people have no idea. What if you could tap into that traffic using Claude AI to do 80% of the work for you? No blog, no big following, no paid ads. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to earn affiliate commissions on autopilot using Pinterest and Claude AI together. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you're new here, I cover real strategies for building passive income online. No hype, just what actually works. Today, we're going deep on one of the most underrated affiliate marketing methods right now, Pinterest plus Claude AI. I'm talking about how to find products, create content, write descriptions, and drive traffic, all with AI doing the heavy lifting. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why Pinterest? Before we talk about Claude AI, let me explain why Pinterest is a goldmine that most affiliate marketers are ignoring. Pinterest is not a social media platform. It's a search engine. People go on Pinterest actively looking for ideas, products, and solutions. They are in buying mode. That means when someone clicks your pin and lands on an affiliate product, the conversion rate is way higher than cold social media traffic. Here's what makes it even better. Pinterest pins have a long lifespan. A tweet disappears in hours. A pin can drive traffic for months, even years. One good pin can keep earning you commissions long after you've moved on. And Pinterest has over 550 million monthly active users, mostly in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, which are the highest paying affiliate markets in the world. Bottom line, Pinterest traffic is buyer traffic, and buyer traffic equals commissions. Section 2. Choosing your niche. Now, not every niche works equally well on Pinterest. The platform skews toward certain topics that perform exceptionally well. The top niches right now are home decor and interior design, personal finance and budgeting, health and wellness, fashion and beauty, food and recipes, travel, parenting, and self-improvement. Here's how to pick yours. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Is there stuff to buy in this niche? 2. Are there affiliate programs that pay decent commissions? 3. Can you create visual content around it? If the answer to all 3 is yes, you've found your niche. For example, home decor is perfect. People on Pinterest are constantly searching for furniture, lighting, rugs, and decor ideas. Amazon Associates, Wayfair, and Target all have affiliate programs. And home decor is incredibly visual, perfect for pins. Section 3. Setting up your affiliate programs. Before you create a single pin, you need affiliate links to promote. Here are the best programs for Pinterest marketers. Amazon Associates works for almost any niche, easy to get approved. ShareASale and CJ Affiliate, huge networks with thousands of brands. LTK, formerly LikeToKnowIt, perfect for fashion, beauty, and home. Etsy Affiliate Program, great for handmade and unique products. Impact, used by major brands like Canva, Airbnb, and Levi's. Sign up for 2 or 3 programs in your niche. Get your affiliate links ready. And here's an important tip. Always use a link shortener or a tool like Pretty Links if you have a blog, so your links look clean and professional. Section 4. How to use Claude AI for Pinterest. This is where the magic happens. Claude AI is going to help you create content at a scale that would take a human team weeks to produce. And you can do it in hours. Here's exactly how to use Claude AI for your Pinterest affiliate strategy. Step 1. Keyword research with Claude. Go to Claude and type a prompt like, "Give me 30 high-intent Pinterest search keywords for the home decor niche that someone would search when they're ready to buy something." Claude will give you a full list of buyer intent keywords, things like cozy bedroom ideas on a budget or minimalist living room furniture. These become the topics for your pins. Step 2. Pin title and description writing. This is where Claude saves you the most time. For each keyword, prompt Claude like this. Write 5 Pinterest pin titles and descriptions for the keyword, cozy bedroom ideas on a budget. Make them SEO optimized, engaging, and include a call to action to click the link. Claude will generate ready-to-use copy in seconds. You just paste it in when you create your pin. Step 3. Creating pin captions in bulk. Here's a power move. You can give Claude a list of 20 products you want to promote and say, write Pinterest descriptions for each of these products. Include the benefit, a lifestyle hook, and a call to action. Now you have 20 pin descriptions ready to go in under 5 minutes. Step 4. Writing blog-style idea pins. Pinterest also loves idea pins, multi-slide pins that teach something. Ask Claude. Write a 5-step idea pin about how to style a small living room on a budget and naturally recommend products a person might need. Claude writes the whole carousel script for you. You just design it in Canva. Step 5. Creating a content calendar. Ask Claude. Create a 30-day Pinterest content calendar for a home decor affiliate marketer. Include pin topics, keywords, and what type of affiliate products to feature each day. Boom! An entire month of content, planned in one prompt. Section 5. Designing your pins. Claude handles the words. Canva handles the visuals. Together, they're unstoppable. Go to Canva, search for Pinterest pin templates, and pick ones that match your niche aesthetic. For home decor, use clean, bright lifestyle-style images. For finance, use bold text with simple graphics. For food, use high-quality food photography. Here are the design rules that get clicks on Pinterest. Use vertical images. The ideal ratio is 2.3, so 1000 by 1500 pixels. Use large, bold text that's readable on mobile. Use light, airy backgrounds for lifestyle niches. Use your affiliate product image as the hero of the pin when you can. And always include a subtle call to action like shop now or get the look. You don't need to be a designer. Canva's templates are already optimized. Just swap in your Claude-written copy and your product images. Section 6. Posting Strategy. Consistency is the key to growing on Pinterest. Here's the strategy that works. Post 10 to 15 pins per day. That sounds like a lot, but with Claude writing your descriptions and Canva speeding up your design, you can batch 50 to 100 pins in a single afternoon and schedule them out. Use Tailwind. It's the best Pinterest scheduling tool. It lets you schedule weeks of pins in advance, and it has a smart schedule feature that automatically posts at your audience's peak times. Create boards around your niche keywords. If you're in home decor, have boards like cozy bedroom ideas, small living room decor, budget home makeover. Each board is a keyword, and Pinterest indexes them like a search engine. Reapin other people's content too. Pinterest rewards accounts that are active curators, not just self-promoters. A mix of 80% your pins and 20% repins is a healthy ratio. Section 7. Realistic Income Timeline. Let's talk about what you can realistically expect. Month 1 to 2. You're building your foundation, posting consistently, growing boards, getting indexed by Pinterest's algorithm. You might make your first few commissions, $20 to $100. Don't quit here. This is where most people give up. Month 3 to 4. Your pins start to rank for keywords. Traffic picks up. Commissions grow to $200 to $500 per month. You're seeing which pins perform best, so you double down on those topics. Month 5 to 6 and beyond. Compounding effect kicks in. Old pins keep driving traffic. You're at $500 to $2,000 per month. At this point, you can outsource pin design on Fiverr and use Claude even more to scale content. The people making $5,000 to $10,000 a month on Pinterest have simply been doing this longer and more consistently. The strategy is the same. They just didn't stop. So there you have it. Pinterest plus Claude AI is one of the most powerful, low-cost affiliate marketing systems available right now. You're using AI to create content at scale, you're tapping into buyer intent traffic, and you're building income that compounds over time. Your action steps for today. Pick your niche, sign up for 2 affiliate programs, create a free Pinterest business account, open Claude, and generate your first 30 pin descriptions using the prompts I showed you. If you want me to do a full tutorial showing my screen, me actually using Claude to write pins and setting up Tailwind, comment "Show me" below and I'll make that video next. Like this video if it helped, subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub so you don't miss the follow-up, and thanks for watching.